Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to remove collaboration in Instagram after posting. So let's begin. Alright, so as you can see here that we are inside our Instagram profile and I have already done a post in collaboration. So if I just tap on it, you can see that I have created this post with another user. So what if I wanted to remove this collaboration? So I'm going to tap on these three dots on the top right side, and here you can see the option of edit. So we have to tap on it, and here you can see the person on the bottom left side on the picture. So we have to tap on it, and as you can see here that we have the collaborator. I will simply tap on this cancel button that we have with our collaborator. Now we have to tap on the check button. Again, tap on the check button, and you can see here that we have simply removed the collaboration in Instagram. So this is all for this video. So this is how we can remove collaboration in Instagram after posting. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.